Welcome to Review Lab. The best hole cutter drill bit is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools in any DIYer's or professional's arsenal, capable of creating clean, precise holes in a variety of materials with remarkable efficiency. Whether you're working on woodworking projects, installing fixtures, or tackling intricate crafting tasks, having the right hole cutter can dramatically simplify your workflow and elevate the quality of your finished product, making it a crucial component for achieving professional-looking results with ease and accuracy. Number 5. COMOWARE Titanium Twist Drill Bit Set. Introducing the COMOWARE Titanium Twist Drill Bit Set, a 16-piece collection designed for versatility and durability. These bits are crafted from high-speed steel with a titanium coating for enhanced performance. Experience exceptional sharpness and a chatter-free design with hardened cutting edges. Its staggered cutting teeth ensure precise countersinking and smooth, clean holes every time. The two-flute design efficiently clears chips and debris, reducing friction and heat. This allows for a faster and cooler drilling process, making your work more efficient. Featuring a 1/4-inch hex shank, these bits fit easily and securely into all power tools, especially quick-change chucks. This ensures a stable and reliable connection during use. Perfect for a wide range of tasks, these drill bits are ideal for metal, wood, and plastic. They are suitable for home DIY projects as well as general building and engineering applications. Keep your workspace organized with the included drill bit holder. It features a size index for easy identification and storage, fitting most brands on the market. What we like. This set offers excellent durability and versatility for various materials like wood, plastic, and aluminum. Its quick-change shank ensures fast bit swaps, and the included organizer keeps everything tidy. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional needing a reliable set for general construction, this is a solid choice for efficient and organized work. What people say. The drill bit is sharp and cuts cleanly through various materials. It is very durable and has lasted through multiple projects without showing signs of wear. The design allows for easy removal of debris, preventing clogging. Number 4. 3 Otters 15-piece Diamond Hole Saw Kit. Found the perfect pot but it lacks drainage? No problem. This kit is designed to effortlessly drill clean drainage holes in ceramic, terracotta, and glass planters. Give your plants the healthy roots they deserve. From tiny succulent pots to large patio planters, this 15-piece set has you covered. With a full range of sizes, you have the perfect bit for any home DIY task or craft project. No DIY experience? No problem. Our diamond-coated bits are engineered for a smooth, easy start on curved and slippery surfaces. Remember to use water for cooling for perfect results every time. While perfect for gardening, this versatile kit is your secret weapon for countless craft projects. Create beautiful jewelry, design custom mosaics, or upcycle bottles into unique home decor. Stop paying premium prices for pre-drilled pots. For the cost of a few planters, you get a complete, reusable kit that saves you money and opens up a world of creative possibilities. It's the perfect gift for the gardener or crafter in your life. Give them the tool they need to bring their creative visions to life. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for drilling drainage holes in challenging materials like ceramic, terracotta, glass, and tile. Its diamond coating ensures a smooth start, making it ideal for gardeners and hobbyists. If you love customizing planters or creating unique crafts with glass and tile, this is the perfect tool to unlock your creativity. What people say. This hole cutter drill bit is designed for precise and clean cuts, making it ideal for various materials. The drill bit features a durable construction that ensures longevity and consistent performance, even with heavy use. Its innovative design allows for easy adjustment and quick bit changes, enhancing user convenience and efficiency. Number 3. HYCHIKA 19 Pcs Hole Saw Kit. This is the HYCHIKA 19-piece hole saw kit, offering a wide range of accessories for your cutting needs. It includes everything you need to get started right away. The saw blades are crafted from heat-treated carbon steel with a protective black surface. This ensures they cut quickly, resist rust, and remain durable for extended use. These blades are perfect for soft wood, plywood, drywall, and PVC. They provide reliable performance on various workpieces, making them a versatile addition to your toolkit. With included mandrels, drill bits, and a hex key, setup and replacement are simple. The maximum cutting depth is 25 mm, allowing for precise work. Everything comes neatly organized in a sturdy storage box. This makes it incredibly convenient to store and easy to take with you wherever your projects lead. You'll receive 13 hole saw blades in various sizes, 2 mandrels, 2 drill bits, an installation plate, a hex key, and a user manual. It's a complete solution for your hole cutting tasks. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides a wide range of hole saw sizes, perfect for tackling larger projects in soft wood, plywood, drywall, and PVC. The carbon steel blades are built for durability and fast cutting. If you're working on home renovation projects or need to cut larger openings, this set offers great value and convenience with its included storage box. What people say. This hole cutter drill bit is designed for precise and clean cuts, making it ideal for various materials. The drill bit features a durable construction that ensures longevity and consistent performance. Its unique design allows for efficient material removal, reducing drilling time and effort. Number 2. COMOWARE 5-piece titanium-coated step drill bit set. Introducing the COMOWARE 5-piece step drill bit set, your ultimate solution for versatile drilling needs. This set is designed for durability and precision. Crafted from high-speed steel with a titanium coating, these bits offer exceptional heat, corrosion, and rust resistance. They are engineered for demanding metal drilling applications, ensuring a longer service life. Effortlessly drill through steel sheets, aluminum, wood, and plastic with these versatile bits. They create clean holes, making them perfect for both DIY home projects and professional applications. Featuring a dual flute design, these bits ensure faster chip removal and cleaner holes. Experience smoother cutting and peak drilling performance with efficient chip evacuation. The tri-flatted shank design provides maximum grip, eliminating slippage even under high torque. This enhanced feature ensures secure clamping in your drills for safe and precise operation. This set includes 5 common sizes, covering a total of 50 different drilling sizes from 3/16 to 1 to 3/8 inches. Laser-etched markings allow for instant size identification, ensuring precision in your metalworking tasks. What we like. This set is incredibly versatile, covering 28 different sizes with just 5 bits, and includes an automatic center punch for precise starting. Its titanium coating and dual flute design ensure clean holes and efficient chip removal, especially in metal. If you need a compact yet powerful solution for drilling multiple hole sizes in metal, wood, or plastic for DIY or professional tasks, this is an excellent option. What people say. The drill bit is sharp and cuts cleanly. It is very durable and lasts a long time. The design allows for easy chip removal. Number 1. COMOWARE 10-size titanium HSS step drill bit. Introducing the COMOWARE 10-size step drill bit, designed for precision and durability. It covers a wide range of sizes, from 1/4 to 1 to 3/8, making it a versatile tool for any project. Crafted from high-speed steel with a titanium coating, this bit offers exceptional service life. Its advanced coating provides resistance to heat, corrosion, and rust, ensuring performance in demanding applications. Easily drill clean holes through steel, aluminum, wood, and plastic. This tool is perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professional engineers. The double flute design ensures faster chip removal and cleaner holes. Experience smoother cutting and peak drilling performance with this innovative design. Featuring a tri-flatted shank, it provides a secure grip in your drill, eliminating slippage. This enhanced design ensures stability even under high torque. Drill multiple sizes without changing bits, thanks to the laser-etched markings. Instantly identify the correct size for precise metalworking. What we like. This single-step drill bit is designed for efficiency, allowing you to drill over 10 different sizes without changing bits, featuring a titanium coating for longevity. The tri-flatted shank guarantees a secure grip, preventing slippage during high-torque applications. If you prioritize speed, precision, and a secure hold when drilling various hole sizes in metal, aluminum, plastic, or wood, this Unibit is your go-to tool. What people say. The drill bit is sharp and cuts cleanly through various materials. It features a durable construction that ensures longevity. The design allows for easy chip removal, preventing clogging. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.